I love an easy appetizer. Hi everyone, I'm Suzanne Bissett. Welcome to my home kitchen. And this next appetizer, it's only 4 ingredients, but I promise you, the flavor and the taste, your guests are gonna come back wanting more. We're gonna make jalapeno poppers. So this is what you need. You need some bacon, jalapenos, some cheddar cheese, and some cream cheese. Now I'm using a 1/3 less fat cream cheese because I'm trying to save on some calories. Mama got a little big during quarantine, so I'm trying to cut down. This is what you need to do first. You need to cut your jalapenos in half. And if you've never done this before, let me show you how to do it. You're just gonna take your knife, cut down the center. Now, I use this guy. I don't know what it's for. It's really for strawberries, taking out the stems of strawberries. It's kind of a thingamajig, but it works really well. So take a look. All you do is start scraping the inside of your jalapeno. Now this is where the heat is. This is a dish, an appetizer that has some spice to it. So what you want to do is get all the membranes out and the seeds, because that is where a lot of the heat is hiding. Once you're done cutting all the jalapenos, you're gonna wash your hands with soap, and still, even after you do not put them in your eyes. Trust me, I've made that mistake several times, and you're gonna feel a burn that doesn't feel good. So here we go. We have our jalapenos already halved. I have most of them right there for you. And we're gonna take our cream cheese, and woo, the fumes. Jason, do you feel the fumes from those jalapenos? Get ready, because your eyes are gonna start watering. We're gonna add about 1 cup of our cheddar cheese. Now you can use the kind from the store that's already grated. I like to grate mine fresh. I think the flavor is a lot richer, and I think it just tastes better. And this is what's so easy. I've had this cream cheese out just room temperature, so it's already nice and soft, pliable, easy to do. You don't even need to add any salt because the bacon is already salty. So once you have them, you're gonna take each jalapeno, take a little bit of the mixture, and you know what you could do too that I've done in the past? You can even add some salsa to this mixture as well and put a little salsa in there. That tastes really good. All my jalapenos are stuffed with the cream cheese and cheddar cheese mixture. What you're gonna do next is take your bacon. My jalapenos aren't that big, so what I did is just cut the bacon strips in half and kind of just stretched them out a little bit. And all you're gonna do, and this is so easy, your kids can help you, but have them wear gloves, and just roll. Roll it like that and put it on a baking sheet. Now I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now for this one that's a little bit bigger, just use a second slice of bacon right there. We don't want to scrimp on the bacon. And this is a great appetizer too, because you can make this ahead of time, have all of this prepped ready to go, and then when your guests come over, just pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes and it's ready to serve. Our jalapeno poppers have rested, and take a look at them. They are absolutely delicious. I like to serve them with a side of salsa that you can kind of dip into. But let's see, we got the bacon that's nice and crisp on the outside, the 2 cheeses inside. And the heat of the jalapeno. I'm telling you, this is spicy, delicious, and your next favorite appetizer. If you'd like to learn the recipe for this dish, all you have to do is head to allrecipes.com.
I love a jalapeno popper on the morning of like game day.
My only concern is when the fire system goes off in my house based on what's going on in my body. I'm not aware of that system. She apparently has it in her home kitchen.
That is new technology that we need.
Brand new technology. Man, very cool.
All right, Suzanne, thank you.